Hello guys, my name is Chanu SK, SAP FICO and S4 HANA Finance Trainer. Today I would like to share you one important and very crucial topic. So this is what is employability skills. Okay. So before going to explain this topic, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe right now and please press the bell icon so that you will get many notifications from my end. Okay, so what exactly employability skills? So employability skills is also called as a knowledge transferable skills or soft skills. So based on your skill set, like your knowledge, your skills and attitude, how you use those assets and how you present them to the employer in today's context, this is a very important task. So in today, your education and experience is more enough to qualify for job, but to be successful in most roles in the field of emerging technology, so you should need soft skills and you should need communication skills and you should need teamwork and you would have problem solving skills. These are all skills are required to be survive in the any company. So employability is nothing but, here I will tell you some words like flexibility. So employability is a flexibility. To be employable, so you should have a flexible and you should need life skills and you should have motivation. You need to motivate yourself, not only you and others, and you should have organizational skills and ability to learn new skills, administrative skills, phone etiquette, customer service, client relation, presentation, okay, and sales. So you should have selling experience if you have. So goal setting and prioritizing, supervision, efficiency, innovative, proactive, focus, enthusiasm, negotiation, memory. These are all stuff are needed for any employee. Okay, and why employability skills are important? So because you need to connect your co-workers and you need to connect your managers and superiors and client, so in order to resolve the problems and to be part of or understand your role with the team and make responsible choices for your job and your career, these are all plays a vital role. For that, employability skills are important. So now the one question has been raised, so these are all skills I do not have. Why? How I these are all skills I don't have. So yes, you don't have, but you already possess half of the skills which I explained right now, but you don't know. Okay, so remaining all stuff you can get it from any organization. Okay, and once you join into any organization, so definitely you will possess all these definitely you will get trained by your seniors, you will get it. So and the next thing is communication. Okay, so you can see there are three kind of communications. One is verbal communication, non-verbal communication and listening. So if you don't have verbal non-communication, then at least you should be a good listener. So you should, when once you are good listener, so then you can easily interpret what verbal and non-verbal messages has been delivered by your team managers, and what verbal communication you should have face to face and writing skills. Okay, and the balance between face to face and writings is likely to vary in every different job, but few if any will not want at least some of each type of communication. So non-verbal communication is just like what we communicate with words, for example like body language, tone of voice, or even emojis and etc. Okay, now what exactly teamwork? So teamwork also plays a very crucial role in every organization. Okay, teamwork is important in almost any work setting. Okay, so teamwork describes like collaboration. You should have collaboration, how you collaborate with your team, and what is the management expectations, and what is your reliability, how you behave with your team as a professional manner. Okay, these are all skills are required for the teamwork. Okay, so teamwork is important in almost every work setting. If an employee works on a number of group projects, so they need to be able to get along well with others and carry their share of the workload. Okay, so you should have carry the workload of your team members. So if it is required, even if an employee doesn't do a lot of team projects, they still need to be able to work well with the colleagues and managers. So and the next and one more attitude is required is creating critical thinking. So critical thinking is just like employees needs to think logically and make sensible judgments. You should need you should think logically, and you can able to judge, and it should be sensible manner. And it is also including analytical skills, problem solving skills, creativity. These are all skills are expected by every organization. So we should get all these skills as early as possible. So critical thinking refers to your ability to understand, analyze and interpret information and draw conclusions. So ethics. So ethics is a broad category. So it refers employee principles. We need to obey the company policy and company rules, and we should be honest or trustworthy, and we would act a professional and responsible manner. So, and one more, last but not least, it's a very vital skill. So what is computer skills? So we should have at least these skills like Microsoft Office skills, okay, and word processing. You should be aware what is MS Excel, advanced Excel and formulas, and social media and search engine research. So word processing, so digital calendar management, these are all skills are required for every organization. So see guys, this video is applicable to freshers and also those who have 1 to 3 years of experience in any field, and those who want to switch into any job. So these skills are required, and these skills are companies will offer from the candidates. So thank you very much for your support. This is Chanu SK signing off.